Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad. Once done, make sure the new phone number is active and able to receive SMS or calls for verification. Back up iCloud now and update iOS to the latest release so nothing blocks the change. Then open Settings and tap your name. This gets you straight into Apple ID management without sidetracks. That first check prevents lockouts later. You proceed by opening name, phone numbers, email inside your Apple ID settings. This is where trusted numbers live. Tap Edit, then add email or phone number and choose Phone. Enter the new number and request the verification code. Wait for the SMS or call and enter it promptly. Once verification succeeds, remove the old number if you no longer need it. Make sure at least one trusted number remains, so two-factor authentication. You finish by confirming two-factor authentication with the new number. Sign out of iCloud on one non-essential device and sign back in, using the new number for codes. If you hit verification errors, restart the phone, reinsert the SIM, and verify the carrier allows SMS. Alternatively, use a trusted device to receive codes. If nothing works, contact Apple ID support for account recovery. Remember, patience and methodical retries usually resolve transient verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.